So there could be three things that could be affecting money in your life. First one is money management, second one is money mindset, and the third one is money scars and their healings. Let me speak about the first one, money management. Now, whatever money you actually have at present with you, are you really putting it to use to its 100% potential? Or is it just lying in bank FD or maybe in some locker or maybe it's just lying in the house? So, firstly, learn to manage the money correctly in a way which you already have. And it is only when you are able to manage the money you have properly that is where the universe will trust you with more money in your hands. It's the same way if you have a child and if you are giving, say, 10 rupees to that child and the child is not able to handle that 10 rupees, are you going to give 100 rupees to that child? No, right? All right. The second thing is the money mindset. Yeah, this also plays a very major role when it comes to having money with you in life. So I have seen generally, especially when a person is going to buy something in the vegetable market or fruits, and you tend to bargain for 5 rupees, 10 rupees with that grocery or the vegetable vendor, whereas you want to achieve lakhs and crores of rupees in your life. So it's a contradictory message that you're passing on to the universe, wherein you are being so stingent about 5 rupees and 10 rupees, and you are wishing and hoping that the universe will give you lakhs and crores of rupees. This needs to be changed. So be careful next time when you're bargaining with a vegetable vendor that which level or what vision you want to have for yourself, for your standard of living in your life. And thirdly, the money scars. We carry multiple kinds of emotional scars, which everyone is very much aware from childhood or even in your teenage, your love life. But there are many money scars also which we carry from our childhood. It could be some incident happened in school, it could be some incident happened with your parents, or something which you wanted and you couldn't get it because your parents didn't have money. All these things become or build into a scar. And it's just one example. In a span of 20 years of life, 30 years of life, people tend to have multiple scars which needs to be healed. And that is where you will heal the relationship with the money, which is where the money will start showing up in your life. So remember one thing, that in case if you want more money in life, you need to be very smart in money management. You need to have a millionaire mindset, a mindset of a wealthy person. And thirdly, you need to heal all your scars up till now, be it of your childhood, be it of your adulthood. And mind you, there are scars and there are blockages even of previous births, whether you agree or you don't agree, but yeah, that's a fact. We carry blockages even for from our past lives, which is where I help people to work on all these three aspects in my digital school, online school, Success with Suman. And I keep helping even in my private Facebook group. If you want to know more about this, then please join my private Facebook group, which is a Money Magnet Hub. I will provide you with the link in the comments. Make sure you answer all the questions of the form for entering the Money Magnet Facebook group, and I'll see you inside. Thank you.